Got any comments? It's been a year. How do you feel, sir? Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is AA Ron here.
You done messed up, AA Ron!
Today on AF Tech, we're going to be going over to Adams. It's been 1 year since the devastating GPU apocalypse happened. We went to Fry's, there was nothing for the cryptocurrency craze. Since then, he has upgraded. He did get a GTX 1080. I believe it's a Founders Edition. Still awesome. He did recently upgrade again. So he had his previous system, the 4770K. He upgraded to i3, I think it's an 8350, B360 board, I think. So yeah, we're gonna go put Windows 10 on this machine and see what he's got. Let's do it. Whoa, this shit's haunted. I will enter. Speak friend and enter. Going in. That was scary.
Beast boy now.
That's a little big bad boy. Dude, sick.
Yeah, it is. It turned out nice. Turned out super good.
Explain to me what you're doing, sir.
Fans are going the wrong way.
It's alright.
Trying to change all 7 of the 120mm here.
It's alright, it happens. I've done so many different fan combinations that it's stupid. It still works though. We'll get this thing set up just right. 82 hours later,
Oh shit.
it's fixed.
Like 20 hours. Different day, but I'm wearing the same outfit.
Gorgeous. Unicorn cube.
Hell yeah, that's the way to do it. Gotta have unicorn cube. Sweet ass light on the motherboard right there too. That's a beautiful looking board from just from your camera.
Oh yeah.
Gorgeous looking. From right here it's not that colorful, but it looks super colorful there.
So we have the desktop.
Yep. And now I got nothing because I can't get my mouse with the board to the driver's to install.
Yeah, because this is... Alright. First thing we want to do is grab a Ethernet cord if you got one. Plug it into the internet. Try this. If that doesn't work, go into this. We don't know what we're doing. We've got a loading screen. Hot plug the old SSD from the end of the PC. Getting something. I don't know what, but it's working.
Just a twerking tarantula.
Working? Fuck. Accept. Custom. Yeah.
Absolutely ridiculous.
Desktop, mouse control, successfully connected to the internet. Desktop, Windows 10. You can beat it.
I waited, waiting and waiting. This guy's the wizard.
I am. Well, there you have it. For 1 year, $750,000 later, Adam's computer is done. Our big adventure to Fry's, you know, that didn't yield any results because of no GPUs. But now, he's got the 1080, he's got 16 gigs of RAM, Windows 10, 64-bit. He's got the i3, I think it was the 8350. It's a quad core. He's more than set up. Streaming on Twitch, twitch.tv/AA
Mr. Bird Reynolds, and check him out. He's playing some games. Super funny guy. Yeah, so I think that's all for this video. Like and subscribe. Kind of a cathartic thing to do to get this thing done, taken care of. But yeah, see you in the next video. Later.